Deoxyribonucleic acid, commonly known as DNA, is the blueprint of life found in every living organism.
DNA is made up of molecules called nucleotides, which include a sugar group, a phosphate group, and a nitrogen base.
The sequence of the nitrogen bases adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine determines the genetic instructions.
DNA is organized into structures called chromosomes, found in the nucleus of cells.
In humans, DNA is arranged into 23 pairs of chromosomes carrying genetic information from both parents.
DNA replication is the process by which DNA makes a copy of itself during cell division.
Mutations in DNA can lead to genetic disorders or variations that contribute to evolution.
Understanding DNA helps scientists in fields like genetics, medicine, and anthropology.